Hello, welcome to the channel. I'm Charlie from Sanu Motors. Today I have a Clio 2013 Mark IV model. I'm going to show you how to reset spanner light or service light. I done the service. Also, if you not subscribe our channel yet, please do it now and press bell icon, then you can get our new videos. If you have any question, comments, please mention below. I'll come back to you as soon as possible. Let's go. I'm going to start the car now. You can see as it is in the dashboard, it says service required, and here also orange spanner light. I'm going to show you how to reset this spanner light. First, we need to switch off the engine. First of all, we need to put it key card to key slot. Then when I put it to the key slot, this car ignition on, but some cars you need to put here and press stop start button just once. But if I press this one once, this car will start, see, then it will not work. Then I'm not going to use in stop start button. I'm just going to insert key into the key slot. Once I insert, you see ignition on. Then after that, there is a right hand side stick. End of the stick you can see two arrows. I'm going to press down arrow until service interval come. I'm keep pressing, see, service interval alarm. Once you can see this message, you have to keep press and holding down arrow. This one I'm keep pressing and holding, keep pressing and holding. It's coming to the 15,200 miles, 0 months. I'm again release and keep press again and holding, press and holding. Now see, it's blink and it's coming to the 12 months. Still I'm keep holding. Once it stop the blinking, you have to release this button. Once you release, it's saying service in 18,700 miles, 12 months. Right, now it will reset. What we have to do, take out the key, put into the slot, start the car. Once you start the car, you can see as it is, there is a orange light, service light. It's disappeared now. That means your service light reset. Thanks for watching. I'm Charlie from Sanu Motors. Don't forget to subscribe us. If you have any question, comments, please mention below. See you with another video. Thank you.